Hello friend, in this video we will discuss application of double integral to find area bounded by closed curve. Okay, so in earlier discussion when we define double integral that you come to know that the formula of area in terms of double integration, it is double integration dx dy over the area A. If you recall, we have considered one closed curve like this, and we break the curve into the number of strips by drawing horizontal line and vertical line parallel to the y-axis. So the area is broken into number of rectangles, and there we find out the formula for area in terms of double integration. It is double integration dx dy over the area A. If your curve is bounded by polar curve, then the formula of area is double integration r dr d theta over the area A. So this Cartesian integral you have to convert to the polar integral. Correct or not? And whatever the area given to you in the question, you have to first plot that area and find the limits of integration. What is the variation of x coordinate within that area, y coordinate within that area, and substitute the limit in the formula of area and solve that double integration. You will get the area bounded by that closed curve. Correct? So if the curve is bounded by polar curve, then area is bounded by polar curve, then use this formula. Correct? Now let us discuss few illustration related with this. Question is, find the area bounded by parabola y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y using double integration. Correct? So you have to find out the area using double integration. So what you do? First of all, plot the area. Y square equal to 4x. It is a parabola symmetric about x-axis. X square equal to 4y. It is a parabola symmetric about y-axis. And this is the area which is bounded by these two parabola. This area you have to calculate. So first thing you have to do, these curves are intersecting at 2 points. You have to find out the coordinate of those points. This we all know, it is 0, 0. And this is 4, 4 you have to calculate. What you have to do? See, the value of y is x square upon 4. From one equation, you put in the another equation. Solve that equation, you will get the coordinate of this point. Now, we all know formula for area. Area equal to double integration dx dy over the area A. Correct? Okay. Now, see what we have to do. For this area, you have to find the limits of integration. Okay. So, I observe one thing, that minimum x coordinate within the area is 0 and maximum x coordinate is 4. So, our x coordinate varies from 0 to 4. And for y coordinate, you have to draw the vertical strip within that area. Strip should be parallel to the y-axis. Strip should be parallel to the y-axis. Okay. And this strip, if you observe, at the lower end, it is touches to this parabola. So find the value of y from this strip, from this curve, which is x square upon 4. So that is the lower limit for y coordinate. And this strip at the upper end, it is touches to this parabola. So value of y from this is 2 root x. 2 root x. This is your limits of the integration. Okay. So this we have already discussed. Now let us put the limit in the formula of area. Area equal to constant limit first 0 to 4. Variable limit next. X square upon 4 to 2 root x. Dx dy. Dx dy. Correct or not? Okay. Now here you observe one thing. Limits of y are depend on x. Limits of y depend on x. So order of integration is with respect to y first and then with respect to x. Correct or not? Okay. But here, yes. Okay. Here in this integration, your outer integration is with respect to x. Dx I can take outside, and inner integration is with respect to y. The limits of inner integration is x square upon 4 to 2 root x dy. Like that you can write integration. So this is inner integral with respect to y. With respect to y, this is we can take outside, and outer integral is with respect to x. So let us solve inner integration first. Integration of dy is y. Put the limit x square by 4 to 2